In the land of Sniffleville, a peculiar little monster with unique sniffles and sneezes, known to all as Sniffle, wandered through the colorful landscape. As Sniffle meandered through the enchanting land, he stumbled upon a mesmerizing flower garden, its petals glistening with an otherworldly glow. Slowly, the once vibrant colors of the garden began to fade, a gentle mist casting a shadow over the once lively flowers. Deep concern etched on his face, Sniffle gazed upon the wilting garden, his eyes filled with a newfound sense of urgency and purpose. Seeking counsel, Sniffle journeyed deep into the forest where wise creatures with ancient eyes shared their knowledge under the sheltering embrace of ancient trees. Surrounded by the collected wisdom of the forest, Sniffle immersed himself in study, absorbing the ancient knowledge that would guide his next steps. Armed with newfound knowledge, Sniffle set forth on a daring quest, the very landscape shifting around him as he worked to breathe life back into the fading garden. From the shadows emerged the antagonist, a dark figure with eyes that gleamed with malice, a sinister presence threatening to thwart Sniffle's efforts. Standing firm in the face of danger, Sniffle met the antagonist head-on, his gaze unwavering and filled with a steely resolve to overcome the final obstacle. With a flourish of magic and determination, the garden burst back to life, vibrant colors blooming anew, the sweet scent of flowers swirling around in a mesmerizing dance. Surrounded by the restored beauty of the garden, Sniffle basked in the glow of fulfillment, his joyful expression a testament to his newfound purpose and role as guardian of beauty. Content in his newfound role, Sniffle made his home in the thriving flower garden, his unique sniffles and sneezes now blending seamlessly into the harmonious melody of nature.